Corruption erodes public trust, distorts market mechanisms, and hampers social justice. It diverts resources meant for public welfare into private pockets, widening the gap between the affluent and the marginalized. Moreover, it undermines the rule of law and fosters a culture of impunity, hindering genuine progress and equitable opportunities. Again हम एक और कोट ऐड करेंगे जस्ट फॉर द पर्पस के इसकी एक लेंथ इंक्रीज हो जाएगी और सेकंड वन इज के इसमें आपकी एक ऐसे की खूबसूरती भी आ जाती है और आपको एक अच्छे मार्क्स आपको गेन करने में आसानी होती है. सो द ड्यूटी ऑफ यूथ इज टू चैलेंज करप्शन. Now we talk about measures for mitigation. Effective enforcement of anti-corruption laws and robust institutional frameworks are paramount. Transparency measures such as open procurement processes and asset disclosure requirements can curb corrupt practices and enhance accountability. Corruption is worse than prostitution. Now the conclusion of corruption is, in conclusion, combating corruption demands concerted efforts from governments, civil society and citizens by fostering a culture of integrity, promoting accountability and strengthening institutions. Societies can pave the way for a fairer and more prosperous future.